With the planning application record displaying, simply click the Plans and Documents button to view the associated plans and documents. Please note, there will be a Comments button here should the application not be determined. Let's click the Plans and Documents button and continue. The list of planning documents displays. In this case, there are 3 pages. You'll see we're on page 1. You can click 2 for page 2 and continue with page 3 and so on. And the arrows here also take you through to the different pages, to the next page or to the last page. If you're looking for a particular document or a document with a particular date, simply click the description to view the list in alphabetical order A to Z. Don't forget to return back to your first page as well if you've clicked these buttons here. Alternatively, you can click it again to put it into the Z to A order. Also, the document date, click on that title to view the list by oldest to newest. Once more, to reorder it from newest to oldest. And when you've located your file, you can then click that to continue. But please note, there's also a download button here taking you into the full screen. This button does not show you the measuring tools. However, you can still view the information in a read-only full screen page. Upon clicking that, you'll see a new tab or window loading at the top, and the file displays in the screen here. There is a further toolbar here provided by Adobe where you can save or print the file as you require, skip through alternate pages, and use the plus and minus to zoom in and zoom out of the file itself. But remember, the measuring tools come next. So let's close this view or tab and use the measuring tools by clicking the Plans button here. Once it's loaded, you'll see the document displayed. If you wish to go back, simply click the back button to return to the documents list. And if you want to go back one step further to be able to view other applications, simply click the back button multiple times at the top left of your browser. Let's continue and click on Plans and use the measuring tools here. So we have 7 pages. The preview or the thumbnail at the top displays these pages in a preview. You can skip through the pages from the first, back a page, view a drop down list of page numbers, continue on to the next page, or go to the very last page by clicking these arrows. You can scroll down and view the detail here with the information on that document. Let's zoom in and have a look at the scale for this particular drawing. Typically the scale's in the bottom right, however this can vary on some drawings or illustrations. Move your mouse within the document, you'll notice the black crosshairs. Click and hold your mouse button and drag over that bottom right part of the drawing. You'll notice the square box as you're dragging the mouse. Let go and press the plus button at the top to zoom in to the selected area. The diagram is now zoomed in. Scroll down to view the details. Make a note of the scale, which is 1 to 200. Zoom out with the zoom out button here, or indeed if you've zoomed in a second time or more, press the zoom out to the whole document button here to view the full page. In this case, either or button does the same thing. Set the scale in the box to the right here and delete any other information. So the scale is 200. The scale has been successfully set. So to use those measuring tools, let's zoom in once more and use the tools. Simply click your mouse or move your mouse within, click and hold the button, drag over the appropriate part of the drawing. If you've missed a bit, you can move within the box, look out for the square handles, click and drag upon that to make it slightly bigger. Press your plus button to zoom in, and you've now got that part of the image zoomed. To turn on the measuring tools, simply click the button here, and the measuring tools are now turned on. Move your mouse within, and click once and let go for the starting place. You'll notice a red crosshair indicating where you clicked. Move your mouse down and click the second point, and you'll notice a line. If you move your mouse within the image, you'll see this confirmation of the scale plus the length of that line. Continue accordingly by clicking around the image or illustration until you reach the end point, and you'll notice here I now have an area and further information on that part of the drawing. When completed, if you wish to clear your measuring, simply click the clear button here, and to turn off the measuring tool, press the same button you pressed to turn it on. If you wish to rotate the image any time, you've got the rotate left by 90 degrees or the rotate right by 90 degrees here, and you've also got the zoom out buttons too. This concludes the demonstration of the measuring tools.